It's ridiculous. In the year 2025, millions of people still live without reliable access to energy. Not because the technology doesn't exist, but because no one has been creative or brave enough to connect the dots. This is unacceptable, and we're going to change it. The greatest energy source on Earth is right above us. Sun delivers over 10,000 times more energy than humanity needs every single day. It's the cleanest, most abundant, most advanced technology we have, and we've ignored it for decades. So we decided to fix that. NikoSun is something that didn't exist before. Decentralized solar energy plus IoT monitoring plus Syscoin blockchain plus tokenization, all integrated into one intelligent system. Basically, we're creating the most transparent solar network on the planet. And we're doing it with real technology. Not promises, not theory. We install smart solar systems in communities that have no power. These systems connect directly into the NikoSun network. Sensors, real-time data, continuous monitoring, co-reduction tracking, verified production metrics. Everything is recorded on Syscoin, fast, secure, efficient. Here's the breakthrough: energy data becomes value. Real value. Measurable. Tokenizable. Each solar panel becomes an economic node. When you power a school, you don't just install lights. You change how children learn. When you power a medical post, you don't just charge a battery. You save lives. When you give a community energy, you unlock exponential growth. This scales very fast. NikoSun does something every government needs: it shows impact. In real time. No manipulation. No bureaucracy. No delays. Every kilowatt is recorded. Every ton of avoided is certified. Every installation is verified. Mayors, governors, ministries, they all get real, unfiltered data. If they want transparency, this is how they get it. If they don't, well, the future will catch up anyway. Picture thousands of solar systems across the country, all connected, intelligent, autonomous. Every home, every school, every community, generating its own clean energy. Certifying it. Tokenizing it. That's a decentralized solar grid. It doesn't exist anywhere in Latin America. Until now. Powerful pause. This isn't just a project. It's a new model for a country. If we wait for traditional systems to fix this, going to happen. So we're not waiting. We're building it ourselves. Right now. NikoSun will change the way an entire nation thinks about energy. We will bring light where there was none. We will certify it on the blockchain. We will tokenize the impact. A sustainable future is not just possible. It's inevitable. The future is solar. The future is decentralized.